Hey there my friends, this is Craig Howard from Happy Camper RV in Idaho. Checking out a cool stealth toy hauler today, but I've got a camping tip for you in our cool series we're doing, Memorial Day to Labor Day. It's about 100 days, and so we're gonna give you a tip every single day for an awesome season of summer camping. My tip for you today is to add some empty spare water jugs to your camping kit. You can get a whole bunch of different things that'll work for this. You can use empty milk jugs, you can buy them at the store, they're pretty cheap. But it's very handy to have empty jugs that you can transfer water in. One of the things that'll ruin a camp out or make it is if you've got enough water or if you run out. So having some empty jugs might mean that you can filter some water from a creek or a lake. Maybe you can run into town a few miles and bring water back to camp. But it's nice to be able to transport some water, and in small quantities, small maybe 1 gallon, 5 gallon sizes. Maybe you've got a big old container in your truck, that could work too, but often the smaller ones, a 1 gallon or a 5 gallon is very handy. You can pour those back into your camper's fresh tank, or you can use those however you do if you're camping out of a tent or just out of the back of your car. But just add some empty water jugs to your camping gear. That'll make a lot of difference. It can really make a great camp out. This is your tip for today. We'll see you tomorrow. I'll have another tip for you. Hope you're already out having a fun time camping this year. Bye-bye.